Welcome to the series of seminar videos Germanische Heilkunde, by Dr. Hamer, MD. This seminar video is about the sensible biological special programs of the outer germ layer, that is the squamous epithelium, and the functional failures in children. Children have a somewhat differently weighted potential for conflict than we adults do. The mother's breast, the existential dependence on the parents. However, they suffer conflicts in the same way, and the sensible biological special programs run in the same way as in us adults. I will explain the symptoms of the active phase, the conflict-resolved phase, the crisis, and the residual state at the end of the healing phase. Using several case studies, the various associated conflict contents typical of children are made understandable. The objective is to understand symptoms such as neurodermatitis, urticaria, diabetes, epilepsy, nearsightedness or farsightedness. Febrile convulsions, Down syndrome. You can learn more about this in the approximately 2-hour seminar video.